Hey loves, welcome back to a new YouTube video. How are you feeling this morning? Are you feeling excited about the day? If you're not, come here. Let me give you some good vibes. It's going to be a beautiful week. I promise you. I promise. Believe it, trust it, it's going to happen. So, in my last YouTube video, okay, not the last one, like the other one where the first one, someone really gave me heat for having a complicated beginner's natural makeup look, or rather my everyday makeup look. So I decided, why not do sour? You want simple, let me give you simple. So I decided, why not? Let's try something simple that is also my go-to if I need to, where I just want to look fresh but not look like I have a dash of makeup on. So let's get into this video. This is my natural makeup look for beginners. So let's get it. Okay, so of course already did my eyebrows off camera because they take a bit of time, and if you've not watched that video, I'm going to link it up here somewhere, up here. So if you said, please go watch it after this video if you want to watch how I do my makeup, not my makeup, my eyebrows. It's super simple, it will blow your mind. Okay, so let's get into this. So first things first, I'm going to aerate my face is clean and moisturized. You can tell, I know you can tell, right? So first things first, I'm going to start with my primer. Legal Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. Why do we need primers? Primers really just smoothen your face. They blur out your pores and you look airbrushed and beautiful and soft. You can use your fingers if your fingers are clean. You can use a brush, or you can use sponge. I just like fingers because I don't know which part of my face did get some. So now that I have my primer on, we say this is natural and simple, yani genuinely simple, nothing too extra. I feel like adding something extra, but I'm going to stick to the plan. So I don't know which foundation do I want to go with today. You know what, today I'm feeling some Fenty. I'm feeling like I want to have some Rihanna. So this is the foundation that I'm going with today. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. Now this foundation is not full coverage. Rihanna, do something. This is not full coverage, but it is medium. It is medium to full coverage. It's buildable. So sour, and of course I'm going to be using my sponge, which I used yesterday, so it's really not that useless. It has a pump also. If you're thinking of getting this foundation, it smells amazing. It smells really good. I promise. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. So just a pump, and a pump. Yeah, let's add a bit. If you're one who's looking for natural makeup and you don't want to look like, hey, look at that face, this is the one for you. If you're okay with just some of your, if you have marks, if you don't, by the way, this works really good. Again, you can see it's really covering my acne marks. If you're okay with your marks seeping through, this would be good for you. It smells amazing. You smell delicious. Your face smells delicious. Don't forget your neck gloves. Wow. I'm just going to put one palm on my little forehead. Nah, little. You wish. You wish. And then I'm just going to blend that out. And this foundation, it gives me vacation vibes. It's hydrating, so you have that glow. Do you see it? Wow. You have to make sure you're blending. Blend. Do you see that? Look, you look ready to just go and lay on a beach and just wow. So I'm going to use my powder that's almost over. Just set my face. Set everything in place. I like to buy my makeup from, I will link her down below. She's called Glam by Shiko. She's a makeup artist, so when you buy makeup from her, she actually shade matches you vizuri. Si zile zenye there's white light alafu you go to the sun and you're looking cray. So yeah. So you agree that the foundation that I'm putting on right now is my shade. So you can, I'm vouching for her. So I've already set my face with some powder, and now I'm going to go in with my setting spray. This is the Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray 16-hour wear matte finish. I'm heavy-handed, so I'm going to let that dry before I do my lips. Right. I like to put 2 layers of the setting spray just to make sure. Just to make sure that everything is in, but for the last layer I just press on. Not too much, just a bit. Now for my lips, I'm going to be going in with my, again, I like to line my lips. You don't have to, you don't have to, but I like to. So if you're going to follow me, line your lips, darling. I use the same pencil, I use the same pencil that I use on my eyebrows. I just line my lips, but you can get really cheap lip liners if you want some. That's next week's video. I'm now going to go in with my can you see? This is my NYX NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Rocky Road. Again, this also smells really good. It smells like it smells like candy. It smells like toffee. It smells like toffees. Remember those sweets you used to eat when you were small? What are they called? Toffees. The ones that used to come in pink, yellow, purple. What are they called? Toffees. It smells exactly like that. Yeah, and I'm just going to put that on there. Tell us. Ooh. Lather that gloss on there. I love it. Is she beautiful? Guess what? She's done. She is done. That's my simple makeup look. You want it simple? It is simple, right? And you look fresh. Oh, I forgot. I forgot the one thing that I actually really like doing. Mascara, honeys. This is the Maybelline Colossal Mascara, and hey, I almost did not complete my look. I went ahead and did my eyebrows, my lashes, as you can see. They look good. They look good. Yes, and that's all for the video. That was my simple makeup routine for when you do those impromptu plans and you just want to look nice but not like extra. You just want to look good and simple and just wow, you look good. Yes, so this is what I'm going for. You can also do this to work. It's very simple, not too extra. Hakuna eyeshadow, hakuna highlight, just plain and simple. No red lip, just like clean gloss. It does not take away focus from your work. Yeah, so I love it. Again, I used products I've used smell nice, so I just smell nice and I look good. So it's going to be a good week. Do this, I promise. Yeah? You will thank me later. I forgot to share the shade of foundation that I used. I used the Fenty in the shade 420. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, I decided it will not focus, but it is in the shade 420. If you are my shade, this works for you. That's all for the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed yet, we are growing. Have you seen us growing? We are growing. I'm so excited. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. So tell your friends, tell your aunties, tell your moms that yeah, you can watch this. I think I do simple stuff that anyone can do of any age, and then yeah. Let's get to 1,000. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing week ahead. I wish you all the best this week as you just go about your week. I just wish you the best. Same time, same place next week. So, bye.